Beyond the Drone provides turnkey drone emergency response system for utilities. The Drone Operations Collaborative Package, or DOC for short, is designed to augment utility inspection and damage assessment teams during storms and emergencies. The DOC includes the personnel and technology you need to stand up a fully functioning, scalable solution to manage, assess and report on the damage. The DOC package includes an expert airboss, who helps manage and control drone flight operations and field teams on multiple missions. The DOC also includes standby drone pilots and equipment for immediate deployment. As the pilots upload images, the DOC allows immediate damage assessment by remote experts. DOC users have access to up-to-date status of inspections and assessments, and can create any reports they need, on demand. DOC users can easily create FEMA-ready reports to simplify reimbursement. Support and training personnel ensure smooth operations throughout the incident. In emergencies, the DOC has the people and technology you need, where and when you need them. Request a demo to see how the DOC can help you.